A few moments later.
I might have to drive the van. Got it. There he is, having a little bit of a mow. So this is day one of the Popalong track. We've got a few cars here. We've got the, I'll just briefly go, we've got to obviously do a video on the new Vantage. That's going to be done on this track. Some short course thing, HPI, this one, it's Coles, don't know much about those, but that's, yeah, the old Corrali Kagama. We've got another short course truck there, which is the SC10. We've got the Corrali Spark, the Corrali Synchro. We've got the Corrali Azuga. We've got the FTX Apache, the Corrali two-wheel drive Synchro, and we've got my Spark. I've got a problem with that. The drive shaft's gone, so it needs fixing. We've got all of these. This is just a small selection of the stuff we're going to be messing around with on this Popalong track. We've got the track for 3 weeks.
So Mark's actually going the other way around the track now because, well, we could do what we like here. Now the plan is we're taking these big cars, like this is the Azuga, which is probably the biggest buggy. Well, it is the biggest buggy we've got anyway. I think you have to go 150 to go bigger than this. But the idea, if you run out already... There you go. Anyway, the idea is we're going to take the big buggies out first. And what we want to do is just wear the grass in. Because the plan is we are going to come back with some vintage buggies, some 1/10 stuff. We're obviously running at Oswestry in the Revival, which is a vintage meet. And we want to get our cars set up for running on grass. So we've got this track for 3 weeks. And we are going to be doing some testing. We're going to be doing some running of vintage cars. We're going to get the... I'm going to be getting all my Tamiya's out, actually. I'll probably bring the lunchbox over and let that rip around. The Super Hot Shot, the Astute, the Cougars. Lots of stuff to be done. But enough talking for now. I'm going to go get a car and have a little play.
Okay, it's race time. We are both away. I am behind. Carl's in front. Very, very tight, as you can see. Absolutely ripping down the straight here. Neck and neck. Carl's got the lead here. I've hit a tyre. I've gone through. Lovely. Nice move there. Well done, me. Carl's hot on my heels. He's absolutely chasing me down. He also hits a tyre. Oh, my God. And then... ooh, a little bit of a collision there, but we're back up and running again, and goodness me, it is neck and neck again. It went on like this for quite some time, I have to say. The track was getting a little bit loose. The tyres are all over the place now because we just banged them out of the way. Oh no, I think that's me again. Oh, we're trading places again, and I can't. Do you know what? I can't keep up. I don't know who's where. All I know is it's a very, very close. And that was a dirty manoeuvre. I can only assume that was Carl. I can't actually see. That's the end of that. Okay, race number 2. This time, the red car is, when they come round, in the lead. That's Carl. So I am behind here, trying to chase him down, looking for gaps here, there, and absolutely everywhere. These cars are both evenly matched. They've got the same tyres on, same everything, box stock, and they are great cars to go around with any of your mates. They are, of course, the Corrali Spark. Now, I'm trying to still hunt for gaps here, any which way. Oh, Well, I suppose that's one way of doing it. I think that's legal. I think that's legal. Is that not legal? To climb over someone and carry on? I think that's okay. We're good. We're good. Put it in the comments below if you think that was an illegal move. I'm quite sure you'll agree and say it was absolutely wonderful. I'm still out in the lead there. Can he catch me? I don't know. I'm away. I am away. Not making many mistakes whatsoever. Oh no, he is actually catching me. Is he going to stuff? Oh, he's got me back. He's absolutely stuffed me there. Now he's hit the tyre. And now we're going wide. The tyre's rolling off into the distance. My goodness me, what is going on here? However, I am still in the lead at this point. Is he going to come back? Is he going to come and get me? No, doubtful. I think I'm going to run away with this one. But my goodness me, these cars are absolutely flying. They are both on 4S. The track is coming in a treat. It is, look, oh no, got hooked up on the tyre. I think this is truly over, this race. I think it's all said and done. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is definitely a good win for me. Beautiful. Right, I'm going to break away from these two because I'm going to go on a little bit of a sentimental journey, because those of you that know, I don't know, you might not know, I'm going to waffle and walk while I do this. So, the whole Popalong journey started round about, let me think here, I think it was on this here. It was right here, and we had a couple of, I'll see if I can find the picture and put it up now. So that was here, and that was 5 years ago. And we had this idea of starting up a kind of, I don't know, we just get so much enjoyment out of racing and find it very, very therapeutic. I mean, I don't know, it just does something to you. You racers all know, when you hit the track and for that 5 minutes that you're going round, you know that, I don't know, you just can't put your finger on it. It just feels good. Therapy, we call it. Anyway, before I start crying and getting all nostalgic in that respect, where was I? Oh yeah, so it started here, and we decided to, just to share the love of RC, you know. And I think that I would like to take this opportunity to say a massive thanks to everybody who's helped us out. We've had people donating cars, we've had people buying us a coffee on the old Pi app, we've had people giving us motors. It's really good. You guys are absolutely brilliant. I know that some videos might not be your cup of tea. We try and vary it and do different things, obviously. There's more to come. We're going to hopefully do some more GPs next year. We've got the LC racing event. I say we, it's more of a DMS thing, but we are going to pop along and video it and get it on the channel and all that. That's in September, so look out for that. That's going to be really, really good. There's me. Look at that. What a beautiful day. Look at this field. It's amazing. Lush green grass. Apart from here, obviously, you can see the track where it's wearing in there. But I just thought I'd let you guys know that that's kind of where it all kind of started, really. And it's nice when we go to places and people say to us, I started racing because I watched your channel and all that sort of good stuff. That really does mean a lot to Carl and I. But it's all about this. Look at these two. Look, it's all about that. Father and son getting out, sharing a bit of time together. I know some of you guys, it's the same thing. It was very much the same as me when I started racing. I did it with my dad. He's sadly no longer around, and I kind of wish he was, because he would have absolutely loved to have been on this journey with us. He loved his racing and did it very much to sort of decompress from work. And yeah, I have many happy memories of racing with the old man. But there you go, a little bit of a, I don't know, chit-chatty kind of end to this video. But there will be more videos done on this track. We've got it for 3 weeks. This week is all about the big stuff. And hopefully next week we're going to start getting out some vintage stuff and testing that ready for the revival, because Oswestry will be on grass similar to this kind of stuff, really. Anyway, I've got another battery to go through, so I'm going to get on with that now. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding bell button. Thank you for everything.